Hey, it's Geoffrey Zakarian at home, and guess what time it is? It's holiday time, specifically Thanksgiving, and I am making a delicious charred Brussels sprouts with bacon, maple, and mustard. This is a delicious side dish. I actually love it just as it is with some roast chicken on top as a main course, but really great, easy to do for Thanksgiving. You barely have to use your oven. But what you do need is a couple of really important things. You need really good sea salt, really good extra virgin olive oil, and a couple of cast iron nonstick pans. And what I've done here is I've taken my first pan, I've rendered the fat from this beautiful bacon. We're gonna chop that up later. And we've kept the fat in there. If you can see that beautiful bacon fat layer, we're just gonna take some Brussels sprouts that we've cut in half, and we're gonna arrange them cut side down, which will allow us to get a nice char on them. You want to put these in. They don't have to be fancy, but it's just so easy to do, and it's kind of fun, and the kids could do this too since it's holiday. This fat is actually not warm. I've let it get room temperature, so it's not dangerous. And then we're going to put this on a stovetop, get a little sizzle going, and then into a hot oven. And when it comes out, it's going to look like this. Really beautiful, really charred, really gorgeous. Okay, so we're gonna keep that. The great thing about cast iron nonstick, it doesn't stick and it stays warm. So this is done. This could be done ahead of time. You can do that ahead of time. Just pop it in the oven at the end. And then we're gonna make a really cool sort of dressing. The dressing is some chives. Beautiful cumin. I love cumin. It's in all the great Mexican, and also chilies, some maple syrup, some mustard, Dijon mustard, which is one of my favorite go-to ingredients. A touch of extra virgin olive oil, some shallots, salt, and pepper. And how easy is that? We're gonna now just take a beautifully cooked and charred Brussels sprouts. You can sort of see them. See that nice char on the bottom? And you can drop them in there. You don't even have to mix the dressing. How easy is that? So you can do all of this ahead of time. Toss it in your dressing that you can actually mix together ahead of time. And put it on a beautiful decorative plate. And look how delicious that looks. Charred Brussels sprouts, awaiting the final ingredient. What is that? Everybody's favorite, bacon. And I like to do this right at the end. A lot of people cut their bacon like too early and it gets dry. This way it's really nice and it's even almost warm. I have to taste the bacon to make sure it's okay to eat. And here you are, charred Brussels sprouts with maple, bacon, and mustard. Yum. Happy holidays.